Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time for our Scripture Stamp Club reveal for October of 2024. Now, I wanted something that felt warm and cozy, and it's kind of funny because we've had kind of a cold snap here, so it's a perfect time for this one to come out, and I think you're going to love this set. Are you ready? Look at our beautiful set called Cozy Comfort. I'm in love with these little gloves right here. I really wanted some mittens. Can you believe we don't have mittens in our collection before now? But now we do. We have this cute little pine cone and some little greeneries to go with it. That bow, which I think is just adorable. I love that little rope kind of bow. This greenery, I want you to see if you notice this. Do you see how the greenery has these little scallops right along here? That is so you can stamp it coming out of the gloves. It's really cute like that. Be sure to check out the sample pages on our product page at MaymayMadeIt.com. Miss Sylvia always puts together pages for you to see how everything kind of lays together. But let's talk about sentiments. These are fantastic. Ready? In the quiet of winter, may you hear the gentle whisper of God's voice speaking comfort to your soul. And then this one says, in this winter season, may the warmth of God's love melt your worries and fears. Isn't that beautiful? I love this so, so much. And Miss Geneva and Miss Opal have been at it again and making samples for us, and you're going to love them. Let's check them out. Look at this adorable way to use these mittens. So this is paper pieced, just cut out a little button on each side and some twine. And when you open it up, they've folded it up and made a little pocket. And then look, this little guy can come out so you can sign it. Isn't that so pretty? Love that one. Then we have another one. The mittens are just the star of the show, are they not? They're so cute. This one, they stamped the little greenery at the top, and then they have their little mittens down here. And this one, there's a lot of fussy cutting on this. There's a lot of paper piecing. This is lifted up. This section is fussy cut and lifted up. And look how they've interlocked them. So cute. Love that when you open it on the inside. Isn't that pretty? The sentiments are some of my favorites. And then the last one, this one focuses on winter. I love this, in the quiet of winter, right? So we got a little winter scene in the background. This guy opens like this and then like this. Isn't that beautiful? Love, love, love these samples. They keep doing amazing jobs. I know you guys are loving the samples that they're bringing you, and it's nice to give you guys a little something different, right? It's been very helpful for me and Shannon as we're getting other things ready around the shop, so we really appreciate Miss Geneva and Miss Opal's hard work. But that is the set. I really, really love it. I think I really love these sentiments. What's so funny is I would normally try to give you a lot of different sentiments on sets, but these were so pretty. I really just wanted them to be the focal point to go right along with this cozy little scene, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Now, as always, you can enter to win a $50 gift card. Make a project using this stamp set, whether you're in the club or not. Just make a project using this stamp set, post it to our customer gallery, and that enters you to win a $50 gift card. Now, you might have won last month's, and to find out, you want to check the top line of the description of this video to see if you were the winner. Hey, thanks so much for being part of our club. Until next time, bye now.